Happy morning प्यारे बच्चों. Today we are going to revise solution chapter, the topics that we have already discussed in notes in group. So solution is a homogeneous mixture जो एक जैसा दिखता हो, जिसमें 2 or more components होते हों जो नॉन रिएक्टिंग होंगे, जिनका रिएक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. For example, we cannot mix HCl and ammonia because they will react. So they should be homogeneous, 2 or more components should be there, and the composition of these components can be varied within certain limits. इनकी composition को हम लोग कुछ लिमिट तक बढ़ा या कम कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is called solution. Now in nature 3 type of solutions are there. The one is called binary, then ternary, then and component solutions. But we have to focus only on the binary solution. So it is having 2 components. So the one is called solute, which is in the less quantity. From the letters you can see, and the solvent is the one which is in the more quantity. Okay. Now this concept is applicable when the physical state of component is same. But when the physical state of component is different, for example, if we talk about the sugar syrup, chashni. Nowadays in the lockdown period, you must be making some dishes. So sugar chashni is also one of the component. So in making sugar chashni, if you take 300 gram of sugar, then you need to take less quantity of water. Suppose we take 200 gram of water. So according to the concept that we taught earlier, sugar should be solvent and water should be solute. But here the sugar will remain as solute and water as solvent. You know, chemistry contains so many exceptions, but there is a concept. In this case, if we talk about the physical state of the solution, चाशनी का physical state क्या होगा? तो it's liquid. So it's liquid. So the component which is already in the state, which is the state of the solution, that is water. Water चाशनी का physical state क्या होगा? Same. That's why the water will be called as solvent, not the sugar. So I hope you understood the concept. Now on the basis of physical state, solution को हम लोगों ने 9 types में classify करा है. Okay, that is already given in the notes. आप उसको learn करेंगे. 2 example of each types that you have to learn, that may come in the exam. Now if we come to the next topic, then we have to think about concentration. Already this topic is taught in class 11th. What is concentration? होता क्या है concentration? So it is the amount of solute in given amount of solvent or solution. It's a solution. Okay. So the first way to express concentration is mass percentage. Mass percentage. It is widely used in medical terms. Mass percentage, we say it's W by W. So it's the amount of solute in a given amount of solution. Okay, so if I write its formula, it's WB WA plus WB multiplied by 100. Now in NCERT, in place of WB, it's given W2. So both are the same things. B or 2 we use for the solute. So it is the mass of solute. And WA or W1 is for the solvent. Now you can see there is no unit of the mass percentage. On the same basis, we have to learn volume percentage and mass by volume percentage. The most important thing that comes in the examination is the term called molality. You must be knowing very well the term molality. Molality we denote with the help of capital M. Okay, so many definitions are there for molality. It may comes in the board examination. You must be knowing about the pattern of the board examination. 2 marks questions asked from definitions. Total 13 definitions are there, and a 3 marks numerical is asked. The pattern is fixed. Okay, so molarity is the number of moles of solute in given quantity of solution in liters. So volume of solutions in liters come. Okay, the simplest formula that we use a number of times for molarity is WB multiplied by 1000 upon MB into volume in ml. Okay, and the unit of molarity is mole per liter. Mole per liter. Similarly, we talk about the quantity called molality. I have to be fast because we have less time. So molality, in molality, the formula will become WB multiplied by 1000 upon MB into WA. Friends, WA is the mass of solvent in gram. So this is the different quantity, mass of solvent in grams. Okay, so the unit of molality is mole per kg. So I hope you understand. So next topics I will cover in the next video. Thank you.